Hi there, and welcome to our presentation on an introduction to the RxList database. This presentation is specifically designed for senior citizens and those who take a lot of medication and therefore need help keeping track of what kind of medication they're taking, with questions they may have, or with identifying pills that have gotten lost from their containers and their proper labeling. We're going to start today with a little introduction, some history, and some background information on RxList and its credibility. RxList was founded in 1995 by a group of pharmacists who wanted to set up an access forum for people who may not have easy access to their doctor or to another readily available source. So they founded RxList, which is now owned and maintained by WebMD, one of the most reputable health and wellness websites in the entire world. All the information that is submitted comes from sources like the First World Bank and the FDA, and it is all maintained and uploaded by people with specific licensure, medical professionals and the like. It is not a Wikipedia type source where just anyone can upload information. They have to be a credible personnel. Alright, we're going to move on to accessing the database. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to identify your web browser. It will be one of the icons that looks like this. Then you're going to go to the address bar at the top of your screen, and you're going to input www.rxlist.com, and you'll hit enter. You should open up a page that looks like this. You've now successfully loaded the RxList database. From here, you can look up a prescription by name, research a supplement, identify a pill, find the definition of a medical term, and more. For the purpose of today's lesson, we're going to explore how to look up a new prescription in the database, as well as how to identify one of those mystery pills that's gotten lost from its original container. We're going to start out with looking up a prescription. At the top of the page, you will see a link labeled Drugs A to Z. Click on this link and it will bring up a page that looks like this. From here you can search the database alphabetically, first by letter and then by subgroup. For our purpose today, we're going to click on A and then the subsection AA to AC. Then we're going to scroll down to the drug Acupril. Acupril is a drug prescribed primarily to treat high blood pressure, but can also be prescribed for patients with congestive heart failure. Now that we're on the page for Acupril, we can see all sorts of information about the drug, from its chemical composition to possible side effects to drug interactions. There are 13 pages of information for us to peruse regarding most aspects of the drug. While each drug is different, they will all have similarly in-depth information available. We're going to move on to identifying a pill with the pill identifier. Next to the button that you clicked on for Drugs A to Z, you will see a button labeled Pill Identifier. Click on that button and you will arrive at a screen that looks like this. You will see that there are 3 means by which to identify a pill, or we can use a combination of the 3. For our learning purposes, we're going to identify the pill that looks like this. In the pill identifier, we'll put in the details that we know. The imprint is M134, the color is white, and the shape is round. Then we'll hit the search button. The search returns only one result, which is beneficial because that lets us know that that is specifically the pill we're looking for. Sometimes you may end up with multiple results, in which case you have to narrow down until you find the specific pill you're looking for. The search results tell us that this pill is Ketorolac, a generic brand of Toradol, which is a drug prescribed for pain. We're also told that this is a 10 milligram dosage of that drug. This is by no means all the uses for the database, but hopefully it's a start and will help you. Any of the information found in the database can be printed to take along to the doctor's office or perused at your own leisure. The database is available 24/7 and is always free to use. If you ever need assistance on the site, they have a help feature as well, which should help you on your way. Thank you.